It's every motherfucking word that comes out of my mouth. You're not gonna blink without permission. Your world is mine, and I'm not your manager. I'm your fucking boss, bitch.
Hello. This is Ria Saxena and we are shooting our first ever YouTube video and I still don't even know कि मेरे channel का कुछ funky सा नाम होना चाहिए. I don't know, होता है ना. So I am gonna give you guys the chance to decide my channels. Where are you going? इसको मैं ले आती हूँ frame में. I'm going to give No, bad boy. No, bad boy. Sit down. And today we're gonna review Euphoria. No, not my Instagram. The show यार. I mean क्या हो रहा है इस शो में? बहुत पागल हो रहे हैं यार लोग. अभी जितनी गर्मी हो रही है उतना ही लोग यूफोरिया के लिए गर्म हो रहे हैं. Cause why not? I mean इससे ज़्यादा chaotic show हो ही नहीं सकता था. So let's just dive into the memes right away.
You're gonna work.
God, मैडी को थोड़ा ही ज़्यादा सर पे चढ़ा रखा है to be honest because she is a little manipulative and even in the beginning she did manipulate Nate in the first season ever. I mean, okay, बहुत लोग अभी comment में आके मैडी आर्मी आ जाएगी and they're like don't say anything to Maddie but come on. I mean ठीक है, there are a lot of traits that Maddie have and there are a lot of traits that Cassie does not have. And ये जो dialogue है, I mean okay, whatever you said, that's fine. But why hit? She literally slaps the fuck. अब यार ऐसा चाटा तो मुझे भी किसी को मारना है. Actually किसी नहीं, बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है. But ऐसा चाटा तो ना, I mean yes, go Maddie, do whatever you want. जिसको चाटा मारना है मारो. FIR बस YouTubers पे होगी. I'm sorry. The fact that Nate will never know Maddie is the one who ended up truly saving him and Cassie. Whatever Maddie does has a motive in it and it's fine, but उसको इतना हीरो मत बना. मुझे ऐसा लगता है यूफोरिया में जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स हैं everybody is equally fucked up. ठीक है, nobody is doing any better than anyone and Maddie especially, Maddie is a manipulator, she's a opportunist, she's a pimp to be honest. And यहाँ पे वो जो कैसी को बचाती है, she does that because Cassie has got the maximum amount of followers according to Maddie. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि Maddie ने कैसी को just out of humanity बचाया. No, Maddie is the pimp and Cassie is like her paymaster whore. Yes, so Cassie से ही वो सबसे ज़्यादा पैसे कमाती थी. अब last episode में भी when Maddie gets to know that Cassie has deleted her OnlyFans account, she slaps the fuck out of her and then sends her to sleep with the actor, right? So she's taking full advantage of Cassie. मतलब वो पूरा फायदा उठा रही है. Friend जो दोस्त के नाम लायक है नहीं to be honest. बाकी नेट तो यार नहीं बचा. नेट तो कहाँ ही बचा. Come on. I mean, I am so sad about what happened with Nate. We are watching a competition between Rue and Nate to see who dies first. Oh my god, Nate died first, guys. But Nate is like that, वो वाला character जो आपको high school से पसंद होता है. It was like that hunky boy, और उसको ऐसे, I mean, अब तो वो सिर्फ मतलब I think वो punching bag बन चुका था. You want. Like he was just getting beaten up. मतलब क्या ही कर रहा था यार वो. उससे ज़्यादा survival instincts मेरी cat में. You just watch that. Cassie and Maddie at Nate's funeral. Sabrina. Oh my god, they actually look like Cassie and Maddie. Jenna Ortega तो literally Maddie लग रही है और Sabrina Carpenter is like with the blonde and everything. Yes, that is Cassie and Maddie. Nate Jacobs, you will never be her. इतनी theories आ चुकी हैं Nate के लिए कि how he could have survived even in that coffin under the ground. I mean that's crazy. ठीक है, but again वो सिर्फ theories हैं. I don't know, किसी ने ये पता नहीं, मतलब अगर जो भी आप लोगों में से अगर कोई भी ऐसा होगा जो कॉफिन में ज़मीन में दफनाया गया हो और फिर वो अभी निकल के मेरी YouTube वीडियो देख रहा है, सो प्लीज़ कमेंट मी एंड टेल मी कि वहां से बाहर कैसे निकल सकते हैं, ठीक है.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Because I don't think there was any other way, because he was tied. His hands, and definitely he could have punched the coffin, but I mean, that's just theories, you know. Maddie accidentally spilling to Alamo that Rue is undercover. Oh my god, yes! Like, that was so shitty. I mean, usko. But see, that is exactly what I was telling about Maddie. Maddie is not a good person, okay? And Maddie is not smart. I mean, she's just an opportunist.
He's in, I don't know, the DEA. I don't know.
Let me know in the comments how many of you think that Maddie and Alamo had sex, and how many of you think they didn't, because that's a real mystery, to be honest. But yeah, she's spilling that Rue is with the DEA is really fucked up. Like, Alamo to jo lagane wala na Rue ki, I mean, crazy. Okay, the concept that there were more deaths in Euphoria than in the Stranger Things finale. Okay, मैंने Stranger Things नहीं देखा यार, बस first season देखा मैंने, और उसके बाद I felt like I've just become too matured and too smart to watch a kiddish show, तो मैंने उसके बाद Stranger Things नहीं देखा. Moving on. See, exactly. Listen to me. She looks exactly like that, that widow, I guess from Adam's family. I mean, exactly. Maddie has been giving that vibe from the start of the season. I mean, I don't know how people call that hot. I mean, और अच्छा, इससे काफी लोगों को लग रहा होगा, oh, she's pro Cassie. No, I'm pro no one in this show. But I am against Maddie, because Maddie को सब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा, Lexi, Rue, stop busting my balls. I gotta work. Nate is Nate इस सीजन में ब्रिटनी स्पीयर्स से कम हॉट नहीं लगा है, by the way. I mean, look at that body. I don't understand कि नेट कैसी को क्यों बोल रहा था ओनली फैंस चलाने के लिए, बिकॉज अगर नेट खुद अपना ओनली फैंस अकाउंट बनाता तो एक सेकंड में दे वुड हैव पेड ऑफ द डेट. आई मीन, लुक एट नेट. Oh my god, he should have had the OnlyFans account. Not the snake having more screen time than Rue's mom. True. Rue की mom को तो kidnap करने वाले ना वो. I don't know. Let's see. ये तो हमें finale में पता चलेगा. Imagine going back in time and telling us this guy final demise is being bitten by a snake. Oh my god. Nate's death has now passed on to be Maddie's. Wait. Nate's debt, but जिसको debt था, that Armenian guy, उसको तो Alamo ने गोली मार दी थी, right? तो अब तो किसी को भी debt नहीं बचा. I mean, that's just, I don't think debt है अभी, खत्म हो गया, right? Nate लेकर चला गया debt. Too soon, I guess. Okay, Rue Loki has Alison Delentry's level management skills. Like, how does she see all of her friends manage a strip club and participate in a DA sting operation? Oh my god, so true, yaar, so true. भाई time management है, इसको Deloitte में डालो. This being Jules' only appearance in this episode. I hate Jules. Thank God. This is the reason why the episode was great. I mean, what the fuck was that about? जो Lexi ने Jules को एक opportunity दी. She was just being a mistress for a guy who we don't even know, ठीक है? And उसको Lexi ने इतनी अच्छी opportunity दी कि भाई एक पिकनिक की पेंटिंग बना के दे दे. उसमें penis बनाने की क्या जरूरत थी? I have no fucking idea.
Paint clothes over them? That could work. It's like struggling with how many limitations there are.
अगर तुझे पीनिस इतने पसंद थे तो अपना क्यों कटवाया ब्रो? Cat the high school reunion. Dude, Cat is gone. By the way, the person who played Cat, I am forgetting her name, but she looks so hot right now. She's lost the weight and she looks super fit. what Cassie and Maddie saw when they opened the box. Oh my god, yeah, stop with the Nate meme, stop. Oh my god. I guess वो जो उसका, you know, that the tongue that gets swollen, that's because of poison. So Lexi judging everybody when she was literally about to get into a relationship with a drug dealer last season. Oh, fuck, no. To bring Fez in, now let him be, he's even dead, yaar. Fezco, you know, Angus Cloud, the guy who used to play Fez, he's dead now, he's no more. And I feel sad because he was a great actor. Actually, Angus Cloud started being a waiter in New York, and then he became an actor, and he had a great journey, but he died last year. मतलब second season के बाद he died. So इस season में बहुत smartly Fez को, although Rue has been seen talking to Fez on call because उसको ये दिखाया that he's still in jail. But those who know. Rest in peace, Fez. The old Nate would have handled that. Oh my god. Though the old Nate was a pretty fucked up guy as well. Guys, remember, Nate ने अब Cassie से शादी कर ली है. But in the first episode, the only relationship between Nate and Cassie was that Cassie was dating Nate's friend, and his friend, I don't know, somehow Cassie की nudes leak हो गई थी, and Nate was calling her a whore. And now he has married him. That's cool. That's really nice. What? Cassie is not at all looking good wearing that hijab. She actually looks like some, what do you say, Muslim girl. Okay. So I am going to let you guys decide the name of my channel. So let me know in the comments whatever you think should be my funky name. But till then, this is me, Euphoria. That's my Instagram channel.